she's really happy with her temporaries, as you can see. We had shown you how we made her temporaries instantly as well. And we'll be scanning her temporaries first. Once that's done, we will scan her internal preps as well. And the final product will be made exactly like the temporaries that she's gotten so used to and comfortable with, because she wants them exact in shape, size and color. So that's what we'll be able to give her in as little as just 16 minutes.
I used to work with Smile Essentials for 2 years. So basically, before I had a very ugly smile, my teeth were very crooked and I used to not have a good smile. So when Dr. Diksha decided to make my teeth, I got a very beautiful smile. Now I can smile with peace, happiness and everything. I really thank Dr. Diksha. Because I've got a very beautiful smile. So, and I really thank the entire Smile Essentials team. Thank you.
And if you like this content, then do share, subscribe to the Painfree Dentist, making dentistry painless, one smile at a time.